Today's featured car of the day is a 1963 Studebaker Lark Daytona two-door hardtop. And this one was restored, and it was a beautiful restoration. Somebody did a fantastic job on it. Really looked good. Had the 289 V8 under the hood, Studebaker's engine, and it also had a 4 on the floor. Had bucket seats with a 4-speed to go with that 289 engine. It was definitely a good looker, that's for sure. And this one, unfortunately, didn't have any seller statement on it, so I don't know the information on it, but it did sell for $20,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. This was part of the second generation of the Studebaker Lark, which went from 1962 through 1963. And the Daytonas basically had the bucket seat interior and a different trim on them. And this also just happened to be the last year that the Studebakers were made in Indiana, in South Bend. That's basically when the board pulled the plug on Studebaker's car division, and they moved the assembly plant to Canada, and they built them in Canada. The third generation ones from 1964 through 1966. And then that was the end of Studebaker. They were pretty much out of business at that point. But they sold about 77,000 of these. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day. A 1963 Studebaker Lark Daytona two-door hardtop that was restored. A beautiful restoration, by the way. And it sold for $20,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.